All right, today we're at Lake Norman MarineMax checking out the Yamaha AR250. First, we'll start back here at the transom. You have the stereo remote, nice big transom area to get in and out of the boat. A table holder over to the right. Coming inside, you'll see the flooring, it's the snap-out non-skid flooring. And we have twins in this unit. Twin high output Yamaha engines, also with the dual battery setup. Speaking of duals, we have dual captain's chairs in this unit, along with a cooler, info screen from Yamaha. This will tell you all the logistics of the boat and the engine, wireless charger, storage on the observer side, as well as the floor storage. Coming up to the front, big wide open bow, plenty of seating for all your guests. Also, the ARs are equipped with the wake tower. Check this and all of the Yamaha boats out at Lake Norman MarineMax. Thank you very much.